Hi, this is the MOTOROLA Razr 40 Ultra and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first open the Gmail application, tap on the right upper corner and here you'll see all of the available Gmail accounts, just logged in Gmail accounts. Just to log out from Gmail account in Gmail app, you should first log out from Google account on your device. And to do that, click to manage accounts on this device, tap to your account and click to remove account. Confirm your action. Are you sure? If you use some protect methods, just enter them. Now in Google account settings, we just successfully log out from the Google account. So let's go back to the Gmail application. And in apps, we could also see that we just successfully log out from Gmail account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.